In database systems, index design is critical. The B+ tree is the gold standard for disk-based storage, optimized for fast searches, insertions, and range queries. Unlike standard search trees, a B+ tree separates routing from data. Internal nodes only hold search keys and child pointers to direct searches, while actual records or data pointers reside exclusively in the leaf nodes. A key feature of the B+ tree is that all leaf nodes are linked sequentially. This doubly linked list structure enables highly efficient range scans, avoiding expensive tree traversals. To guarantee logarithmic performance, B+ trees enforce strict balance rules. Every node has a maximum capacity, or order D, and except for the root, must always remain at least half full. Let's look at the math. For a tree of order D holding n elements, the maximum height is bounded logarithmically. This ensures extremely shallow trees, typically requiring only 3 to 4 disk I/O operations. In summary, B+ trees combine balanced search efficiency with consecutive leaf linking. This makes them uniquely superior to other indexes for both exact matches and range queries.